Hey guys, Richard here with the Geeks Retro, and today we're going to diagnose and replace a coil pack on a 2006 Toyota Camry. So stay tuned, we'll be right back.
And here we go.
Alright, so we're back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up so that way you guys can hear the miss. Understand how I diagnosed it. It is a very simple and easy procedure to diagnose. So give me 1 second here. We're gonna. You hear the miss? See the shake in the motor? That's how you can tell that you have that you're not firing on all four cylinders. Very, very simple thing. Now, to access the coil packs, you need to remove the 4 bolts that hold it down. This one here only had 1, so we don't need that. The first thing I did to diagnose, I unplugged the mass airflow sensor. When you do that, this is one quick, easy way. See, motor died. That's how you know that mass airflow sensor is actually working. It's doing its job. All right. So very simple and quick, easy way. Unplug your coil. See, car tries to die. Car tries to die. Guess what? Car didn't die. Car tries to die. That's how I diagnose this very, very, very quickly, and you can do yourself at home just by finding out if the car is going to run or if it's a coil pack or not. It is a 10mm bolt. That is all it is. A simple 10mm bolt. First thing you can do is you're gonna want to unplug this. Is that's our cylinder that's bad, our coil pack at least. Very, very simple. At the time when I bought my coil pack, I tried auto or advanced auto. They wanted $85 for a stupid coil, and I said no. I went over to AutoZone and I was able to score one for $47.99 plus tax, of course. Now, here's the thing. Whenever they ask you what motor you have, this is the 2.44 cylinder. They also have a 3.0 and a 3.3. You need to be able to know what that is, and then they're going to ask you if it is an American motor or Japanese. You're going to know that by the VIN. The first letter of the VIN. If it's a number, 1, 4, and I think 6, it's an American motor. If it's a letter, that means it's Japanese. And the pricing is actually a little cheaper on the Japanese motors. So, needless to say, we pulled the 10mm bolt out. We're gonna very gently work this out. Just pull straight up, okay? There it is. Pull packs out. As simple as it is. The same thing as what I just put back in there. I pulled it out and I put it back in. Yes, and that was my cat trying to jump on my car. Okay, now as you push it down, slowly and gently push it in, and then you'll feel it. You'll know that you're in. Okay? And you take your 10mm bolt, slide it back in there, because that's what's going to keep everything in place. I bought these 4 coils offline. I'm not going to lie, I bought them on eBay, and they lasted me from December till now, and it is June. So they didn't last very long. So again, you get what you pay for. It's just that simple. You don't want to over tighten this, but you will feel it tighten down until basically you're just going to tighten it until it's snug. Okay, and there it is. That one's snug. We're good. We're going to plug her back in. We're going to fire right up, and you'll see that. All right, and there you have it. You seen it? The cylinder is firing properly again. The car is running nice and smooth. That simple, that easy. If you guys like what you see, make sure to follow me and also hit that bell icon notification right there on YouTube. And make sure you follow us because we're going to have plenty more to come. I got a Volkswagen Jetta. I'm going to be doing a coil and 4 plugs on their performance packs. So stay tuned and we'll talk to you guys soon.